Well, we got an 03 Tacoma, or not Tacoma, shit, Tundra, and we got a little bit of frame rust issues, considering I don't think you should be able to wave it yourself through the frame. It's just about rusted clean in half. Rust goes up to about right here on the outside. So the only thing holding this truck together is there and the bottom right here. Other than that, she's pretty well rusted clean in half. Come over to the passenger side, ain't a whole lot better. And the cross member's a little better on this, the other side's rusted plumb off. And here we got the same thing. See, just about all the way through. Not rusted quite as far down as the other side is, but still kind of Swiss cheesed. But if you notice where this double layer stops, from there back, frame's in pretty damn good shape. And you got where Toyota's great idea to double the frame up right in, the area that sees the most stress, where it can rust out. And then where the double layer stops, frame is in real good shape. Driver's side, same way. Where the double layer stops right there, frame still got factory paint and undercoating on it, all the way up through there. Same thing with behind the double frame spot. Frame's in good shape. End of that cross member's a little rusted on the end, but frame back through here is in good shape. But Toyota almost had the truck that didn't rust, and then they went and fucked up.